going to discuss about post-fertilization events. What is the meaning of post-fertilization events means? The events which are takes place after fertilization. The events which are takes place after fertilization is called a post-fertilization events. Or the events which are takes place after fusion of male and female gametes are also called a post-fertilization events. The events involved in post-fertilization: development of endosperm, development of embryo, maturation of ovule into seed, maturation of ovary into fruit. These are the. If theory question, mention the events post-fertilization: development of endosperm, development of embryo, maturation of ovule into seed, maturation of ovary into fruit. Then before going to these events, for NEET or theory, sometimes they may chance to ask a applicable or hypothetical question. How transforming parts after fertilization? Can you briefly mention the transforming parts after fertilization? Transforming parts after fertilization. I mean, after fertilization, flower parts, transforming parts of flower, after fertilization. After fertilization, how flower parts develop into next one. Here table Ravaji, before fertilization. Question, if they are asking 5 marks question, you need to write in the table like before fertilization. Second column, after fertilization. Before fertilization, after fertilization. See, before fertilization, after fertilization. First one by one. Before fertilization, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. उसमें calyx, corolla, androecium, calyx, corolla, androecium, style, stigma. These parts are withers. Wither means fall off. After fertilization, calyx, corolla, androecium, style, stigma, these are all fall off. But in some fruits, the calyx still attached to the fruit after fertilization. That type of calyx is called persistent calyx. Persistent calyx seen in brinjal, Solanum, Melangina, Solanaceae family. Next, important parts. One by one. Ovary develop into fruit. Before fertilization it is a ovary. After fertilization it is a fruit. Before fertilization, ovary wall, it is a ovary wall. Ovary wall develop into fruit wall or pericarp. Fruit wall or pericarp. Pericarp helps in protection. Next, ovule develop into seed. Ovule wall develop into seed coat. Outer integument in ovule wall में outer integument develop into testa. Inner integument develop into tegmen. Micropyle develop into seed pore or micropyle only. Then funicle develop into stalk of seed. Funicle develop into stalk of seed. Hilum Hilum develop into scare on seed. Scare on seed. This is a important parts before fertilization and after fertilization. I mentioned the ploidies also. Calyx, corolla, androecium, stylostigma, these are all 2n. You know very well. There after fertilization they are fall. They are fall off. Before fertilization, ovary is a 2n. After fertilization, that is a fruit. Before fertilization, ovary. After fertilization, what is the structure? Fruit. Before fertilization, ovary wall. This is also 2n. Fruit wall or pericarp, that is also 2n. Pericarpal function. Ovule develop into seed. Ovule also 2n. Ovule also 2n. Seed also 2n. Seed also 2n. Then ovule wall, that is also 2n. Seed coat, that is also 2n. So ovule having, there is a two protective layers are there. Outer integument and inner integument. Outer integument develop into testa, the 2n only. 2n only. Inner integument develop into tegment. Then micropyle develops into micropyle only, or a seed pore present in the seed. Finicle, before fertilization finicle, after fertilization stalk of the seed. Before fertilization it is a hilum, after fertilization scare on seed. Not only these structures, some other also there. Egg develop into zygote. Before fertilization, I remove here slowly. Before fertilization egg, after fertilization it is zygote. Before fertilization it is egg, after fertilization it is zygote. Egg is a haploid, zygote is a diploid in condition. Then zygote develops into embryo. Zygote develops into embryo. Zygote to 2n, embryo also 2n. Primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus develops into endosperm. Endosperm. Primary endosperm is 3n. Endosperm also 3n. These are the important structures before fertilization and after fertilization. Before fertilization, I am a ovule. After fertilization, who am I? Seed. Before fertilization, I am ovary. After fertilization, who am I? Fruit. That type of question. If 5-mark question, transforming parts of flower after fertilization briefly mentioned means you need to this. It is important for theory and important for the endospermic development. Continuation. Endosperm development. First event in post fertilization. Important. Endosperm development precedes embryonic development. Sometimes question also. Endosperm development precedes embryonic development. The above statement is A true, B false, C either true or false, D neither true nor false. Answer is true. Why sir endosperm development first takes place? Because primary endosperm cell shows cell division and produce triploid tissue called endosperm. The endosperm having large number of abundant nutrients are there. Abundant nutrients are present in endosperm. It gives the nourishment to the development of embryo. It gives the nourishment to the development of embryo. Even theory question also sometimes may chance to ask why endosperm is first formed when compared to embryo. Because endosperm having nourishment, endosperm having nutrients are there. That nutrients are giving nourishment to the development of embryo. That's why embryo is immediately not, zygote not develops into immediately embryo. It is waiting for the endosperm. This is a primary endosperm cell. Next, in primary endosperm cell, inside primary endosperm nucleus is there. Primary endosperm nucleus. Primary endosperm nucleus shows free nuclear division. I meant free nuclear division. Primary endosperm cell shows a free nuclear division and produce a large number of nucleus in a endosperm. Large number of nucleus in endosperm. That is nothing but free nuclear endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm. Very, very important, free nuclear endosperm or cellular endosperm, different types there according to textbook. Primary endosperm nucleus present, primary endosperm nucleus whatever it is present in primary endosperm cell, it show the free nuclear division. Free nuclear division means only nuclear divisions only takes place. There is no cytoplasm division. There is no cell wall formation. By result of this free nuclear division, large number of nucleus are formed. Large number of nucleus are formed at the condition of endosperm is called free nuclear endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm example, coconut water, coconut milk or coconut water. Coconut water is nothing but coconut milk. This is nothing but free nuclear endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm having many nucleus. That condition is a multinucleated condition. Free nuclear having many nucleus, multinucleated condition. Syncytium also. Syncytium means many nucleus present in the cell. Syncytium. Sir, there chance to ask, coconut water refers to A. Cellular endosperm, B. Free nuclear endosperm, C. Halobial endosperm, D. No one. Free nuclear endosperm only. Coconut water. Then after the formation of free nuclear endosperm, cell wall is formed. Cell wall is formed. Then at the condition of endosperm is called cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm. So first nuclear division takes place. That is only nucleus. That is a free nuclear division. Later cell wall is formed. That condition of endosperm is cellular endosperm. उसका example coconut white kernel of coconut or coconut white kernel. You know white kernel, that is refers as a cellular endosperm. From this, when you imagine coconut, inside there is a water is there, coconut water. It surrounds white kernel. So inside water refers free nuclear endosperm. Surrounding white kernel refers a cellular endosperm. From this concept we can say free nuclear endosperm surrounded by cellular endosperm. The statement is true. Cellular endosperm surround the free nuclear endosperm. That statement also true. Active voice, passive voice. Free nuclear endosperm surrounded by cellular endosperm. Statement is true. Very important NEET level. Or cellular endosperm surround the free nuclear endosperm. That statement also correct. This is all. Cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm example castor, coconut. Many will comes. General according to textbook. NEET textbook. NEET points I will give the later information. Some halobial endosperm also there. Types of endosperm will give the later to you. Then based on endospermic seed. Based on endosperm, there is a two types of seeds are there. Based on endosperm. Based on endosperm, two types of seed. Endospermic seed or albuminous seeds. Based on endosperm, two types of seeds are endospermic seed or non-endospermic seed. Sir, what is the meaning of these two? Sometimes based on endosperm, how many types of seeds? Briefly write about it is 2 marks. Differentiate between endospermic seed and non-endospermic seed. During the non-endospermic seed also called albuminous seed. Non-endospermic seed also called non-albuminous or also called ex-albuminous seed. Then during the development of embryo, endosperm is completely consumed. Completely khatam. During the development of embryo, endosperm is completely consumed. Those are called non-endospermic seeds. But during the development of embryo, some endosperm is persistent, left over. Those are called endospermic seed. How, sir? For example, from morning to evening we have classes. Then you are taking the lunch boxes. In lunch box mein 5 chapatis are there. From morning to evening, that is development of embryo you consider. In lunch time, you have taken the 3 chapati, 2 chapati left over. So endosperm is chapati. During the development of embryo, during these class hours, 3 chapati over, 2 chapati left over. During the development of embryo, endosperm is left, persistent. Those are called endospermic seed. Some students during the development of embryo from morning to evening class 5 chapatis khatam. I mean endosperm completely khatam. Those are called non-endospermic seed. Endospermic seed example castor, maize, coconut, etc. Non-endospermic example peas, groundnut, beans. These are non-endospermic seeds generally. So endospermic to non-endospermic. Endospermic seed, food material stored in endosperm. Non-endospermic seed, food material stored in cotyledon. Non-endospermic seed, food material stored in a cotyledon. This is nothing but textbook information. Now, need point of view. So, need point of view, some additional points required here. Need for need level. Endosperm ka. There is a 3 types of endosperms are there in need level. 3 types of endosperm. 3 types of endosperms are 3 types now. 3 types endosperms. First one, free nuclear endosperm. Second, halobial endosperm. Third, cellular endosperm. Free nuclear, halobial, cellular endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm. I will give the rough diagram. See. This is nothing but embryo. These are nucleus. Many nucleus are present in the embryo side. This condition of this is the embryo. Sometimes they may chance to ask this diagram. These are free nucleus. So this diagram indicates free nuclear endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm seen in 161 families of angiosperms. Free nuclear endosperm seen in 161 families of angiosperms mostly. इसका example maize, coconut water. Those are example 161 families of angiosperms show the free nuclear endosperm. Then halobial endosperm. Halobial endosperm is nothing but it is present in between free nuclear and cellular endosperm. Name the endosperm present in between free nuclear and cellular means halobial endosperm. So the halobial endosperm for rough diagram, two unequal cells are present. These are 2 unequal cells are present. The 2 unequal cell is a halobial endosperm. Unequal cells. Diagram. 2 unequal cells. It is most common in monocots. Halobial endosperm. Monocots. Then 2 unequal cells. One large cell, one small cell. Large cell present at the micropylar end. This is a large cell. Here important one. 2 unequal cell. Large cell present at the micropylar end. Smaller one. Small cell present at the chalajal end. This is important question, sir. Halobial endosperm, large cell located near which end? A micropylar, B chalajal, both either. Answer is micropylar end. So this is a chalajal end, small cell. The larger one is near micropylar end. So example for halobial, monocotyledons, mostly monocots. Next is cellular endosperm. Cellular endosperm means after the formation of nucleus, this is embryo. After the formation of nucleus, cell wall is formed. This is cell wall is formed. That type of condition of endosperm is cellular endosperm. These are cells. This is embryo. Cellular endosperm. This is 71 or 72 families of angiosperms. Cellular endosperm. This is the example maize, coconut, barley, wheat, different cellular endosperm. This is example. So 3 types of endosperm. Generally endosperm is triploid. 3 and N condition. Endosperm. Why? Because in angiosperm endosperm triploid because it is formed after fertilization. But gymnosperm endosperm is haploid in condition. Gymnosperm, endosperm is a haploid in condition. Some additional information about endosperm. Free nuclear endosperm example maize, wheat, rice, sunflower. Halobial endosperm example monocots. Cellular endosperm example castor, coconut white kernel, maize, sunflower, balsam. Then generally angiosperm's endosperm is triploid because it is formed after fertilization. But in gymnosperm's endosperm is a haploid condition only. Before fertilization only endosperm is formed. So in gymnosperm, endosperm is equal to female gametophyte. So it is a haploid in condition. Next, diploid endosperm seen in Enothera plant. 5N endosperm is seen in Fritillaria plant. 9N endosperm seen in Peperomia. 9N endosperm. Generally, monocots are having endosperm, but some monocots no endosperm. No endospermic example Orchidaceae, Podostaminaceae, Trapaceae, and some other types of endosperms. So, mosaic endosperm. Mosaic endosperm means patches of different colors present on endosperm. That is mosaic endosperm. Example maize and tomato. A ruminate endosperm, that is a rough surface endosperm. Uska example Anonaceae example. This is nothing but endosperm, different type of endosperm in need point of view also.